Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. We are so happy to have you here with us today. Learning English is fun and easy with us. I am Anna. I am very happy today because the sun is shining. It is a beautiful day. How are you feeling today? I hope you are having a wonderful and positive day.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. I am Tom, and I am very happy too. I feel very good today because the weather is warm and nice. I love talking to our friends. Today is a special day for me. I feel very social. I want to talk to people. I want to see my friends. It is a great day to be together and practice English.
I agree, Tom. Being with friends is very important. Friends make us happy. Today, we have a very useful topic. We're going to talk about inviting a friend to dinner. This is a very common thing. We do this in our real lives. It is perfect for practicing English because we use simple and kind words.
That is a fantastic topic, Anna. I love food and I love my friends. But first, I want to say something to our listeners. If you like our videos, please subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel. Your support is very important. Please give this video a like. It helps us reach more people. Thank you for being part of our family.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Now, let's start. Imagine you are at home. You want to see a friend. You think, I want to have dinner with my friend. What is the first step, Tom?
The first step is the invitation. I take my phone, I look for my friend's name, I decide to call my friend. Calling a friend is very nice. Some people send a message, but a call is more personal. I feel a little nervous, but also excited.
That is true. A call is very kind. When you call, you can say, "Hello, how are you?" It is important to ask about their feelings first. You can say, "I am happy to talk to you." Then you can ask the question.
Exactly. I can say, "Are you free on Saturday?" Or "Do you have plans on Friday night?" These are simple questions. We use the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Knowing the days is very important for invitations.
It is very important. If the friend says, "Yes, I am free," then you can make the invitation. You can say, "Would you like to come to my house for dinner?" It is a very polite sentence. Would you like to come? It is easy and very clear.
I like that sentence. It is very friendly. My friend usually says, "Yes, I would love to." That makes me feel very happy. Then we talk about the time. I can say, "Can you come at 7 o'clock or maybe 8 o'clock?" 7 o'clock is a good time for dinner.
7 o'clock is perfect. Now we have a plan. But now comes the big question. What do we cook? This is the part where I sometimes feel a little stressed. I want the food to be delicious. I want my friend to be happy. Tom, do you like to cook?
I love to cook. Cooking is like a hobby for me. It is very relaxing. When I cook, I listen to music, and I feel calm. For a friend, I like to cook something simple, but very good. I don't like very difficult recipes. Simple is better for a nice conversation.
I agree. If the food is too difficult, you stay in the kitchen all night. You want to be with your friend in the living room. What is a good, simple meal? Maybe pasta. Everyone loves pasta. Pasta is easy, pasta is fast.
Pasta is a great idea. You can make pasta with tomato sauce, or maybe pasta with vegetables. It is very delicious. I also like to make a big salad. A salad is very healthy. I use lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. It is fresh and very colorful.
That sounds lovely. A salad is perfect. We also need to think about dessert. Dessert is the sweet food at the end. Maybe some fruit or a small cake? I love chocolate cake. Chocolate makes everyone smile. It is a very happy food.
Chocolate cake is the best. Now we have a menu: pasta, salad, and chocolate cake. But wait, my kitchen is empty. I have no food in the house. I need to go to the supermarket. This is the next step. I need a shopping list.
A shopping list is very helpful. It helps you remember everything. Let's think. We need pasta, we need tomatoes, we need onions and garlic. Garlic makes the food smell very good. Do you like garlic, Tom?
Oh yes, I love garlic. It gives a lot of flavor. I also need olive oil and some salt. For the salad, I need a big lettuce and some red tomatoes. I like to buy fresh vegetables. Fresh vegetables are better for your health. I feel good when I eat fresh food.
Me too. At the supermarket, I look for the best vegetables. I walk down the aisles. I look for the pasta. There are many types of pasta. Long pasta, short pasta, round pasta. I choose the one I like best. Then I go to the bakery section for the cake.
The supermarket is a busy place. I see many people. I say hello to the cashier. The cashier is the person who takes the money. I pay for my food and I walk back home. I have my bags. My arms are strong. I feel ready to start cooking.
Now you are in your kitchen. You have all the ingredients on the table. It is time to prepare the dinner. First, you must wash the vegetables. Cleaning the food is very important. I use cold water. I feel the water on my hands. It is very refreshing.
Then I take a knife. I am very careful with the knife. I cut the onions. Sometimes I cry a little when I cut onions. Onions are very strong, but they are necessary for the sauce. I put the onions in a pan with some oil. The sound of the oil is sizzle, sizzle.
I love that sound. It means the food is starting to cook. The smell of the onions and garlic is wonderful. It fills the whole house. I also put a big pot of water on the stove. I wait for the water to boil. When the water has bubbles, it is boiling.
Yes. Then I put the pasta in the water. I cook the pasta for 10 minutes. I check the pasta. It must be soft, but not too soft. In English, we sometimes say al dente. It's a fun word to use. I feel like a professional chef in my kitchen.
You are a great chef, Tom. While the pasta cooks, you can prepare the table. I like to put a nice cloth on the table. I put the plates, the forks, the spoons, and the knives. I also put some glasses for water or juice. A nice table makes the friend feel very special.
That is a very kind detail, Anna. I also like to light a candle. A candle gives a warm light. It makes the room feel very cozy and friendly. I look at the clock. It is 6:55. My friend is coming in 5 minutes. I feel a little excited.
Ding dong! That is the doorbell. Your friend is here. You go to the door and you open it with a big smile. You say, "Hello, welcome to my home. I'm so happy to see you." This is the best part of the night.
My friend says, "Hello, Tom. Thank you for inviting me." They usually bring a small gift, maybe some flowers or some bread. I say, "Thank you so much. Please come in. Give me your coat. Sit down and relax."
We sit at the table. We start to eat the delicious pasta. The food is warm and tasty. We talk about many things. We talk about work, about our families, and about our hobbies. This is the goal of the dinner. The conversation is the most important part.
I agree. Speaking with a friend is very good for the heart. We laugh a lot. We tell funny stories. I practice my English, and my friend practices too. We use simple words, and we understand each other. It is a very happy moment.
After the pasta, we eat the chocolate cake. It is very sweet and yummy. My friend says, "This is the best cake in the world." That makes me feel very proud. We drink some tea or coffee. The night is very calm and peaceful.
But then it is late. My friend says, "Thank you, Tom, for this wonderful dinner. I had a great time. The food was excellent." I say, "You are very welcome. I am so glad you came. It was a pleasure to have you here."
That is the perfect ending. You walk your friend to the door, you say goodbye, you say see you soon. When the door closes, you feel very satisfied. Your house is quiet again, but your heart is full of happiness.
It was a beautiful evening. Now I have some dishes to wash, but I don't mind. I feel positive. I think about the next time I can invite a friend. Friends are a treasure.
They really are. And you, our listeners, are our friends too. We hope you enjoyed this story. Now it is your turn. Please write a comment. Tell us, what do you like to cook for your friends? Do you like pasta or pizza?
Yes, please comment below. We love reading your messages. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It helps us a lot to continue teaching you English in this easy way.
Thank you for staying with us until the end. You are doing a great job with your English. Small steps every day make a big difference.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful dinner. See you in the next video.
Goodbye. See you soon.